Okay, it's 23 November 2025. All right. Then we're going to go live. So where's the live button? Oh, got to hit done. Done. Go live. Okay, 3, 2, 1. All right, we're live. Yay! It's Sunday, 23 November 2025. There we go. All right, I'm here to unbox a CS-R10, and I have got. I can't remember what model this is, but got that playing right here, which is a Sharp stereo cassette recorder WQT252. This is the one with a spectrum analyzer, so it's got the lights like there, right? And, anyway, I just wanted to show you that. Running on the cord. Okay. I'd run that in the background briefly. Let's see here. So what else I've got going on? So, oh, you know what? You forgot scissors. Let me go get scissors. So got scissors. Maybe that's too loud. So just put that down to a whisper. Alright, so now, let's see what I want to do next. Okay, I went and got a power supply. Okay, this is about CS-R10 by Aiwa, alright? But I also have this, let's see, this one says it on the back. This is also a CS-R10, okay, that I got whenever. And this one is this is Aiwa CS-R1, R1. Not 10, just a 1. Alright, so I can't remember where I got these from, but I want to show you this. Yeah, this is, okay. I should have gotten a flashlight. Let me go get a flashlight. Well, I got a flashlight right here. Wait, this should still work. Alright. This one, you really have to ask these people when you get them that does the darn thing work. Alright, so, I don't know if you can see, if I can, oh, wait, open it up again. Okay. Yeah, I think you can see that. See the head there? It's broken. I mean, seriously broken, okay? This is, once again, for y'all. Can you see that there? That's broken, okay? And for the little camera down here, which nobody can see, I'm trying to hold this thing one-handed, but hopefully you can see in there somewhere that the head is broken. All right. Okay. Enough of that. So that's broken. All right. And then this one here. Well, this one's not broken. Right. It's there, but let me. Okay. So now that I've shown the flashlight, put the flashlight down. All right. So now I want to get the power cord. Now the power cord I have has a known issue, which has a bad connection. Alright, so in the Aiwa, while I could use a Sanyo power supply, the DC import is the wrong diameter. So I'll show you that this works. Have it on, right? Well, it's got power. Well, it worked a minute ago. It always works when you're not running the camera. Right, so that's right. This is right. Like I said, this wire has a known issue. Well, now it's not going to. Alright, well. Anyway, this one does work. It worked a few minutes ago. Maybe it's my power cord still being dead, because that's the only way I have to plug these things in. Because these do not have a. See, this one works. It's on FM. I got the right. I got it well. I don't know why neither of these work now, but they should. There it goes. Oh. Oh man, I really need to fix this. Rewire the. Well, this is going to be a fail. Alright, well, just take my word for it. Both these things work, the radio worked, alright? And let me go get 6 C batteries, alright? Because that's what this thing takes, so I wasn't going to do that. Well, look at that. I have a bagged set of 6 C batteries right handy. I hope they work. Hope they got charge on them. Those are rechargeable. Alright, so let's get to it. So here is this thing here. I like this guy's idea of packaging. He actually cut a piece of cardboard from a big box and cut circles to the ends and such. And it's well packed. Doesn't shake at all. So let's get to it. What'd you do with your scissors? You went and got your scissors, right? On the floor. There we go. Okay. Alright, so just find a place and go to it, right? So that was a good place to pick. Yeah, look at that. You unroll it. Truly inventive packaging. And then it's, what was that? Got a, it's just packing to the end. Oh, hey. Oh, beautiful. Got a power supply. Well, how about that? I didn't even realize that came with it, but let's see. Maybe I can plug this in and play my other couple here. This is a switching power supply, 9 volts, 1 amp. How about that? Normally you see these for charging your batteries, but okay. There's a big thing, and that's the tape that you're hearing. That was recorded over, I think. So, I didn't think it got recorded over, but I guess it did. So, alright, so now, this, that. Well, there's the radio. This is on the tape. So when I use these test tapes, this is one of those, real tapes. I use it to demonstrate, but it's not necessarily the tape that I use for playing my music with. I use, TDK primarily. I may have some Max L tapes. I just have a whole lot of tapes. Alright, so here I'm trying to salvage this wrapping, but I'm seeing if I've got it open. Let's see if I can just pull it out. So, I've got a whole lot of. There we go. Yeah. He's got, okay. Well, I guess not. Alright. It's just too tight. too good. So just there we go. Alright, so got the handle up in here. Okay, well, finally, got some hard stuff in there along with the bubble wrap. Great, we'll throw that away. Okay, so here's a much better condition than what I have. It's got a few divots to it, but the handle is bent because of heat. That's what happens. If you get them too hot, the handle will sag because it's just plastic metal ends. But anyway, it's got some wear usage to it. Okay, so let me get this stupid power supply out of here. Alright, now I'm just all tangled. That's why I hate messing with power supply things, because you have to be mindful of the wire. This is one of these multi-voltage things that plus and minus and multi-voltage and all that, but it's got a bad connection at the main deal. So, okay, let's plug this in. See if this works. Okay, so there's that. And yeah, so it does work. So anyway, so this one works, alright. Hopefully you see that. This one works, okay. Alright, so that one works. Needs repair. And this one
is that AI is a tool, and tools have winners and losers. Music, Christmas classics, Christmas jazz.
God, Christmas already? It's not even Thanksgiving. Golly. Or is it Thanksgiving? I don't know. Alright, so here's the one that I got. Plug it in. And it works.
More, you don't have to say what.
I got a stereo light. I'm good with that. So, alright, turn that off. Let me get my tape out. You can see this here. Alright, so let's hit stop. Stop. Eject. And it comes out the front like this and then flops down. Well, it got it stopped, but there we go. Okay, pull that out. Now, put this in here. Just open that. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. You got to be kidding me. That's twice. Yes. Unbelievable. You saw it live on camera. You saw me exclaim whatever. Let me get my flashlight again. This one's broke. Golly. Wait, can you see that in the camera there? See that right there? The head is off the spinning plate thing. Wait, can you see that there? The head is off the spinning plate. Alright. Alright, so once again for y'all down here, the head is off the spinning plate, if you can see that. Alright, so, and then for this camera over here, is the, wait, get my hand out of the way. The head is off the spinning plate, so, that's why it don't work. So I've got two of these now with the head off the spinning plate. And I've got a third one that works. Well, it's okay, well, you heard it here first. So it would have been an easy fix. It's one belt, two motors. It's a two-motor design. One motor is for fast forward and rewind. The second motor is for the cap stand. It only takes one belt, but that one's got the head's no good. I may just see about returning that to the guy. Yeah. May just see about, yeah, this. Okay, we'll do that. We'll send this video here. We'll send this video and show this guy. Yeah, the radio works, but I don't want flashing. Here. Okay. This. Oops. Come on now. Yeah. This is that's broke, man. You can't. That's not repairable. The only way to get that is to get a whole nother model. That is not repairable. Okay, that's broken. Okay. So, okay. Let's see here. Let's see here. Let me get this. So, okay. I'll just say your initials. J.K. That's who I got it from. J.K. Alright. Oh, man. Okay, well, everybody heard that, but okay. Let me take you. Okay. Take you. Alright. As I've got that camera there. I got this camera here, which is that there. I'm here. Okay. In 16 minutes. You saw me open this thing live. That's all I'm going to say. I can put the link to the thing in the thing, but I'm unhappy about that. Okay, thanks for watching. Good day, bye-bye. Gotta go.